No, it's my...
I need... Come on over
You
here.
said we.
I sure did. We's a sight word, isn't it? All right.
Kinsey, I get to put the stuff in.
Now, try not to move things around on the deck or bump anything, because when we bump the camera, that's when it gets all shaky. So let's, let me find our feed here.
Mommy, can I
Kinsey?
just fix this back?
No.
I gave you.
All right, we're going to wait for people to join us for another minute or so. Sorry about that, everybody. Here we go. Everybody can hear us. There we go. All right. We're going to give everybody a minute.
Mommy!
What?
Bug.
It's fine. Bugs are outside everywhere. All right. Don't jump on the deck, okay? Because the camera is sitting on a tripod, which is sitting on this piece of furniture. And when we bump the deck, then the vibrations go into the piece of furniture, which then goes into the tripod, which then goes into the camera, which then might make it shaky. And we don't want it shaky. All right. We got more people joining us today. Okay. Let's scooch back.
Mommy, it's shaky again.
It's not shaky. Okay, everybody. We have a very fun and exciting science experiment today.
I know.
It's called... I'm not going to tell you what it's called, actually. Okay. What we will need for our science experiment today is a canister that's empty. A canister is like a cylinder. We're using this empty little mini M&M's container.
And another one.
We will need some Alka-Seltzer tablets. I'm going to open those up.
There's 2 in it.
There are 2.
We're going to start off with one and go
I'm going
up.
to get another one here. All right. Much better.
Are you happy I opened up 2?
Yep, thank you.
I brought over
All right. Now, what we are going to do is we're going to see if we can launch our own rocket using what is called a chemical reaction. Can you all say that?
Yes, 4.
Can you all say chemical reaction?
Chemical
reaction. A chemical reaction, please stop, is when 2 things come together to make something else happen. We call one part of the chemical reaction the acid, and one part of the chemical reaction the base. And when the acid and the base mix together, it makes a reaction, which means it makes something exciting happen. So, what we're going to do... Move back, please.
Oh, and we'll need this on it.
What we're going to do is we are going to take
Can I put it in?
Excuse me. 1 Alka-Seltzer tablet, and we're going to put it in our canister. Okay? Don't push it down. It's fine. Now, we did this yesterday to make sure it worked. Thankfully, we did because I bought the wrong stuff, and it didn't work. So, we know what's going to happen. But when we are scientists, we do something called the scientific process. And the scientific process is a series of things that we do to think about things before we actually do it. So, what do you think will happen when we add water to the canister?
And shake it up.
And we're not going to shake it up to start with. What do you think will happen when we add water to the canister,
and put the
lid on top, and put it upside down? What do you think will happen? Do you think anything will happen?
I think it will shoot up in the air.
You think so? All right, well, here's what we're going to do. We're going to add a little... Kinsey, I need you to move.
Can I add the water?
I need you to move over here on this side, please.
Can I add
over
the water?
Here. Thank you.
Can I add the water?
We're going to add a little bit of water.
Can I add it?
And let me see. Hold on, Wells. Can you just move for a second?
Yeah.
I'm looking to see if they can see. There we go. All right. We're going to put this right here. Add a little bit of water. Switch back.
Oh, see where I am.
Wells, your arm is in the way. They can't see. Move your arm, please.
Yeah.
All right. Can you hear this?
Do it quick.
And put the lid on. Won't move, Kinsey. Tip it upside down and see what happens.
Oh no, it's dripping. It's dripping.
Let's see.
That may have been too much.
It might have been too much water. Let's see what happens. Wait patiently. Whoa!
Whoa!
That was a big one, wasn't it?
I mean, we didn't practice that.
We didn't practice that. Let's try it again. This time, let's put a little bit of water in. We put a lot of water in last time. Let's put a little bit of water in and see what happens.
Yeah. Remember, not
Okay, stop.
just a little.
Nope, stop.
That's as much as we had last night.
Scooch back. All right, we just put a little bit of water in.
It's dripping, bubbling.
Whoa! I wish you guys could see how high this is going. Let me angle this back up a little bit.
Do it again.
All right, can you grab that again?
Hopefully you can see all this.
All right, here's what we're going to... Actually, I'm going to scoot this table back a little bit, okay? Can you move a little bit?
Yeah.
All right. We'll do it one more time with this one, and then we're going to try something new. Is there still a tablet in there?
Teeny tiny tablet.
Put the lid back on.
Shake it up.
We're going to shake it. Okay, scooch back so they can see. Scooch back.
Whoa!
I missed it. I'll scoot you guys back a little bit more so you can see.
Can I try, Mommy?
All right, one more time, and then we're going to try something else.
Can I try
Yes,
it
you can try in just a minute,
I want
okay?
to do it with the blue. No, Kinsey gets to do it. No, Mommy, Kinsey gets to pour the water.
Pour the water in.
No, I want to do the
We're
blue.
girls.
Can I do the blue? Mommy.
Shake, shake, shake.
Mommy, this is my
Well,
helper day.
it is your helper day. Stop talking for a moment. Let's let everybody see.
This one's going to be big, I think.
Whoa! All right, here's what we're going to do. Girls, excuse me, you're going to be good listeners. I know you're excited about this. Here's what we're going to do. I have 2 canisters. Wells, you're going to use the green canister.
I'm going to use the blue, please.
Wells, you're going to use the blue canister. Kenzie's going to use the green canister.
And can I use the green
Wells
lid?
is going to put...
Mommy!
Excuse me, let me talk. Wells is going to put the 2 Alka-Seltzer tablets in hers. And Kenzie's going to put 1 Alka-Seltzer tablet in hers. And we are going to see. I still need to angle this up a little bit more so you guys can see.
I don't want it to do it at
All right.
the same time.
Yes, we are going to do it at the same time so that everybody can see what happens, what will be different. What do you think will be different if we put 2 Alka-Seltzer tablets in one tube and 1 Alka-Seltzer tablet in the other? Which one do you think will go higher?
I think the 2.
You think 2 will go higher than
2
1?
will last longer, too.
You think it will take longer?
Maybe.
All right, I want it. There we go. Okay, here we go. Here are your 2. I will add the water so that it's the same amount of water. Okay, you add yours in.
Can we just each add a nudge?
Okay, here we go. I got to do this. Where's your lid? Okay, I got to do this quickly. Add a little bit of water. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yours. Let me put the lids on. Oh, wait, don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Don't do it yet. Okay. Move, 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 move. Oh, here, we'll try it again. Don't start. Don't start.
It didn't work.
We'll try it again,
I
right?
did.
Wells, I think we put 2. Don't start.
My 2.
2 is tricky because we have to... Whoa! Watch out! Watch out! Oh, that one didn't... The lid didn't stay on that one.
Oh, this one needs to get back in.
It's really hard to do 2 at one time. Woo! Because, especially with the adult doing everything. Because, stop, please.
I want to see what happens with a little bit of less water with
Oh!
Mommy.
What? Mommy's
I
messing
didn't
it up.
do it on the whole time.
Here you
Just
go.
a nudge. Can I have
All right, we're going to shake it up. Shake, 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 shake. Oh, I am not fast enough. Put it back in there. Maybe I shouldn't shake it up.
Mommy, can I put some water in mine? I want to pour water in mine.
Okay, pour water in. Don't aim it at anybody. Move, move, move. Whoa! That was a big one, wasn't it? All right, hold on. We got to...
No.
There we go. Move out of the way. Flip it upside down. Move out of the way. All right, after this, you girls... Woo! You girls can do 1 more, and then we're going to move back in. Actually, maybe we'll finish outside.
No.
Is that Kenzie's? Give it back to her.
Okay, Kinsey, how about we do it all of them in yours? Kinsey, pour all of them in yours.
All right, last one. Everybody's watching.
Mommy,
What?
I don't have my last one.
Well, where did it go?
You put it into Kinsey's. I didn't have a last one.
All right. We're going to finish up here.
Can I have 2 in?
You guys... No, you can have 1.
Mommy?
You got to put that lid on tight.
Mommy?
Scooch back.
Scooch back.
Is there water in there, Kens?
Yep.
Ah!
A teeny tiny bit of water.
I don't hear anything happening. So
No.
that's because there's nothing in there. Let's put a tablet in there. Boop. A little bit of water. Where's the water? Move out of the way. Move out of the way. See? You're not fast enough, sweetheart.
It squirted right out.
I know. Woo!
That wasn't good. Can I do one more?
Yep.
Because mine didn't work that time.
Oh, that was a little one, wasn't it? All right, we're going to move on here.
Please, one more.
One last one. Where did you put your tablet? It's over there.
This isn't my tablet. I want to have mine. Can I have a tablet?
No, you already. Right? Whoa! You already have a tablet in your
I want
hand.
mine to go high.
Wells, we're done.
This is what I have in my hand. Stop.
You have a tablet in there. You're fine. No, we're not opening any more tablets. And everybody else,
already dissolved.
put some water in it and see what happens.
I don't want it.
Okay. Well, I'm about to move inside, and I can't leave you out here with
Mommy,
the science experiment.
I
We can
don't
do.
have
Listen
any
to me.
more water.
We can do more when we're done, but we need to wrap up our time
I
together.
don't have any more water.
Put the lid on.
Stand back, everyone.
Got to be faster, Wells. You got to be faster, otherwise it's gonna go in your. Yes. Whoa! All right, we're waiting for Kinsey's, then we're moving inside to finish up with our joke. And how come nothing's happening with Kinsey's?
Can I do
Nope.
one last time? Can I
You need a little bit more water in there.
Huh?
Don't, Wells, put it over on the. You can't shake it up and then hold on to it. Okay.
Nothing happened. I don't have enough water.
All right. So.
I don't have enough water either.
Oh my goodness gracious! See how fun this is? We could do this all day and have very happy kids. All right. So let's talk about this.
What?
When we're all done, this is the last one.
I forgot to shake it.
It's all right. It just will take. If you don't shake it, then it just takes a little bit longer, right?
Right, but it goes up higher.
All right, you guys. So let's talk about our experiment here. Sorry, we got a little carried away and excited about that one. Okay, so what was happening there? The key to this rocket launch is this chemical reaction between the Alka-Seltzer tablets and the water. When the Alka-Seltzer tablets dissolve in the water, that means
They
they do this. I don't know if you can see it. They're dissolving in the water. Then the chemical reaction from the Alka-Seltzer tablet and the water come together, and it forms a gas called carbon dioxide. Guess what? We learned about carbon dioxide yesterday with our raisin experiment.
If you weren't here yesterday, it was fun.
As more carbon dioxide gets produced in the tube, pressure builds up. Pressure is like air, and
Mommy?
excuse me, I'm talking. And when the pressure gets great enough, then the lid opens up and it pops off and makes different, and it goes different heights. It goes different. Why does it go to different heights, Wells and Kinsey?
Can you put that in? Well, the more you put in, actually, did you know, if you don't shake it up, it's the higher it goes.
Oh, interesting.
I realized when I shook it up the last time, it went up to here. And when I didn't shake it up, it went higher than I thought it was going to go.
So you had a hypothesis. A hypothesis is a guess about what might happen. And then we tested it to see if it came true. We can do a lot more when we're done with Camp Kindergarten. But right now we're going to go finish Camp Kindergarten. Wells, come on inside with me. Kinsey, come in inside. We're going to finish up. Please, listen. Wells, can you get the door for me, please?
Yes. We can leave this stuff out of
Not the computer, though. Can you please grab the computer?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right, back in we go to finish up with our joke of the day. And one last song. All right, here we go. Let's hope that when I set this down, it doesn't jiggle.
Somebody needs to shut the door, and I'm carrying the computer.
Do we need to be whiny when we talk?
Kinsey, can you please go shut the door? I don't want to.
Lots of whiny voices right now. Lots of whiny voices.
Fine, I will.
Thanks, Wells. All right, when Wells comes back, we're going to read our joke of the day, and we're going to do one thing with some sight words. I think that's probably angled up too high.
I can't wait.
There we go. Can you see our joke of the day? Not quite. Let me angle this back down.
Mommy.
All right, you guys ready?
Done.
Almost. All right, let's read our joke of the day. Our joke of the day says... Oh, somebody got erased a little bit.
So did others.
What do you call... What... It's okay. Joke of the day. What do you call a fake noodle? What do you call a fake noodle? We'll get to the answer in just a minute. But before we do that, I want Wells to circle all of our popcorn words that are on our message, including at the top. And tell me what the word is when you circle it. Of. The. Do. You. That's not a sight word. Popcorn word. A. Very good. Fizzy, it's not your turn right now. Wells, how many popcorn words do we have? Let's count them all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's make a 5 right here. How do we make a 5? Fat Mr. 5 goes down and around. Put a hat on top and see what you found. Now, Wells, I would like for you to circle all... Kinsey, you need to move. I need you to circle all of the words that are not popcorn
I want
words.
to do it in my favorite color.
I don't know if it's going to show up. All right, let's see.
This is purple.
I don't have the tape up here. Please circle the words that are not popcorn words, and let's see if we can read them. There's a silent E on that one. What is that word? Scooch over. J. That silent E makes the O say its own name.
Jump.
What? What is this? What is
That's
it?
the one-
What is that letter?
K.
K. What sound does K make? K. And if silent E makes the O say its own name, what do we have? J. O.
Joke.
Joke. Joke. Circle the word day.
Hey, don't.
I know, I'm just trying to move us along because I really want to stick to the 30 to 45 minutes, and it's past 45 minutes. This is the word what. Scoot over so they can see.
What? Wait,
This is the word...
is what one of our star words?
This is the word call.
Call.
This is the word fake. And this is the word noodle. How many non-popcorn words do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 5 equals how many words are on our board all together? Let's count. Scoot over, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 plus 6 equals 11.
Here.
There we go.
11, it's fine.
All right, we're going to end our time together with
Mommy,
the
no, we
hand
can
washing
see
song.
11.
And then I'll give a shout out for those birthdays that I just found out about it. So, hand washing song, a Miss Megan original. Here we go. Scrub the bottoms, scrub the tops, make lots of bubbles, pop, pop, pop. Over and around and in between, hands and fingernails nice and clean. Scrub the bottoms, scrub the tops, make lots of bubbles, and then you stop. Very good job. Thank you for joining us today. Yes, you can go play. I hope you had a fun time. Here are those few birthdays that I just found out about. Just a reminder, going forward, I will not be announcing birthdays on Wednesdays, just Tuesdays. So get those birthdays in before Tuesday morning.
And not on.
We have Owen is turning 5, Danica is turning 5, Ashby is turning 4, Annika is turning 5, Shane is turning 5, it's Adrian's birthday, Kyan is turning 5, twins Elliot and Logan are turning 4, and Bryn is turning 5. And before we do that, I forgot to tell you what the answer is. And then I'll sing happy birthday.
No,
What
make a guess.
do you call a fake noodle? What's your guess?
A shoe noodle?
A shoe noodle? Nope.
I mean, a schnoodle?
A schnoodle? Nope. I'll tell you.
cartoonal?
You guys ready? What do you call a fake noodle? An impasta. Probably a little bit funnier for the adults. An imposter is somebody who pretends to be somebody that they aren't. So an impasta is a fake noodle. I thought it was really funny. Who else is gonna get it? So whatever. All right.
Next time, can you make a funnier kid
I'll
joke?
try to make a funnier kid's joke. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday if it's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. All right, you guys. Hope you had fun. We will be back on Tuesday of next week with a long list of birthdays for the following week.
Can you help me?
So that means next Tuesday.
Mommy, can you help me open up
Not right now.
Play-Doh?
Next Tuesday, I will announce birthdays for June 23rd through June 29th. So if your child has a birthday, June 23rd through June 29th, please put it in my post when I post the night before for when I show you guys what we're going to be doing the next day. So that is that. So remember, in a moment, what makes you different is what makes you beautiful. Always be kind and have fun. See you next week.
Mommy.